Morning, guys. Another day, another vlog, and yeah, today I think it's gonna be a bit of a short video. It's gonna be taking you through part of my day today. Yeah, just a leg day with my friend Joe, and go swimming in the afternoon. Yeah, I mean, no, not swimming, surfing. Yes, surfing. So we started with just warming up, stretching, getting limber, get the blood flowing, the joints and everything greased up, and then we moved on to deadlifts. Just nice, comfortable weight, nothing too heavy, something that you can do quality sets with, or quality reps with. And I believe we did 4 sets. Then we did some squats. Joe did a front squat, and then I just did a low bar back squat. Again, just a comfortable weight. And then we moved on to leg press. Yeah, I think 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Can't quite remember. Yeah, nothing heavy, just good enough to stimulate the muscles, Then we went into leg curls, 4 sets, 10 reps, I believe. Yeah. At this point, I was just sweating my ass off. Like, I don't usually sweat, but at this gym or in Bali, just, oh my god, I sweat so much. It was pretty bad. Yeah, and then we did some leg raises. Again, 4 sets, 10 reps, and yeah.
Oh man, this is almost too easy.
Are you crying?
No, that's eyeball sweat.
Welcome to Bali, brah. Yeah. Hello, bro. What's up, bro? 안녕하세요. Emang gua ada tengah aja dari kamu. Aaron.
Pabo.
Surfing in the ocean.
Biar Pabo.
Salam dari Bali. Yeah. Tired, huh? Yeah. Exhausting. Baba? And this one? Sasa. Hello, Baba and Sasa.